I'm Putco Pat, and I'm here to talk about our Blade LED tailgate light bar and our new Blade Quick Connect harness. The Blade tailgate light bar is a high-powered chip-on-board design with over 2,000 LEDs in the 60-inch version. And our new Blade Quick Connect harness, included in the kits and sold separately, makes the installation a plug-and-play affair. No more splicing of wires. Let's check out what's in the box. We have the tailgate light bar, the Blade Quick Connect harness, included in the kit and sold separately, Scotch locks, 3M tape strips, mounting brackets, adhesive promoter, and instructions. Here are some of the basic tools required to complete the installation. Let's get to work. Today we're going to install our Blade LED tailgate light bar on a 2018 Ram 1500. Let's get started. The first step is disconnecting the rear view camera. I've removed the spare tire so you can see the connectors. Before we remove the tailgate, we'll disconnect the rear view camera. Slide the red clip on the plug over and depress the lever. Then unplug it. The plug is attached to a bracket. You have to remove it from the bracket, then depress this tab and feed the whole bracket through the hole. Now you can remove the tailgate. You need to remove the 2 cable supports and then have a friend help you take the tailgate off. The next step is to mount the blade to the truck. There are 3 different options to do this. You can use the brackets and screws to mount it to the truck. You can use the brackets and 3M tape to mount it to the truck. Or you can use the 3M tape and mount the blade directly to the truck. We're going to use the brackets and the 3M tape. Clean the surface with alcohol. Then use the promoter pack to adhere the 3M tape to the bracket. Then carefully spacing the brackets and making sure that the blade will clear obstacles, place them on the truck. We've mounted our 4 brackets and evenly spaced them out, making sure the blade will clear any obstacles. Now we'll snap the blade into place. We've secured the blade to the truck and we'll route the wires through the bumper. Now that we've removed the tailgate and mounted our Blade LED light bar and routed the wires over the frame, we'll hook up the LED light bar. Start by removing the 7-pin connector. Depress the clip and pull it out. Next, connect your Blade Quick Connect harness. Plug it into the truck, then connect the other end to the wiring harness. Take the 4-pin and hook it up to the light bar. Take the white reverse wire and connect it. Finally, connect the remaining wire. Bundle the wires and zip tie them out of the way. We're going to mount the blade driver box away from the elements using zip ties. I'm mounting it here in the cavity of the rear driver bumper area. And that finishes our installation of the Blade LED tailgate light bar using the Blade Quick Connect harness. It looks great. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube to see new products.